What's up YouTube? Today on Bad into Fab, we are turning this brown bookshelf into a wonderful magical realm of white and color. Be prepared.
So I'm waiting for it to dry. I've decided to paint the front of the shelf the same color, which is like a really dark teal. Once these dry, then I will be able to take off the tape, put the shelves back on, and see how it turns out.
Alright, now we're going to take off the tape, see how well it did. We might have to touch up a couple things depending on how the paint has dried. So let's try it.